Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we have to discuss MCQs part per class first year mathematics. In first MCQ is given that f of t is equal to 2t in I direction plus 3t in j plus 1 over t in k direction, then limit t tends to 0 f of t is equal to what? We know that limit of first component goes to 0. Also the limit of second component when t tends to 0 is equal to 0, but the limit of 1 over t does not exist because limit t tends to 0, 1 over t is equal to 1 over 0. 1 over 0 is not defined or infinity. So the option is D, does not exist. Limit does not exist. Limit x tends to 0, tangent x by x is equal to what? Limit x tends to 0, tangent x divided by x is equal to what? We know that this expression can be written as limit x tends to 0, sin x divided by x into 1 over cos x. Now this is equal to limit x tends to 0, sin x divided by x, and limit x tends to 0, 1 over cos x. Now this is equal to 1, and the second is equal to 1 over cos 0. Now the whole expression is equal to 1. So the second option is limit x tends to 0, tangent x by x is equal to what? Is equal to 1. Derivative of a power 3x is equal to what? Derivative of a power 3x is equal to what? We know that derivative is equal to a power 3x natural log a and derivative of 3x. So this is equal to what? 3 times a power 3x natural log 3. Natural log 3, this is the wrong option, natural log a. So the first option is correct. Fourth one, a particle position at any time t is r of t is equal to cos t in I direction plus sin t in j direction plus 3k in k direction. The particle speed at t is equal to 2 is what? Given that r of t is equal to cos t I plus sin t in j plus 3k. Derivative with respect to time of r is equal to minus sin t I plus cos t in j direction, and third component is equal to 0. The magnitude of velocity is equal to minus sine t whole square plus cos t whole square square root. Now this is equal to 1. So the speed at t is equal to 2 will be 1. So the correct option is 1, but uh, 1 is not given in options. So the option D, none of these is the correct option. Order of the differential equation is what? So order is the highest order derivative contained in differential equation. So here the order of highest derivative is 3. So the option C is correct. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is the equation applied in dash form. This is the intercept form. A conic with eccentricity e greater than 1 is called what? Is called ellipse, circle, hyperbola. Hyperbola is the correct option. The relation x square y plus x y square plus y is equal to 0 is dash relation. This relation can be written as in this form x y is equal to 0. In this form is called implicit relations. So the C option is correct. Which of the following is the differential equation of x plus y plus c is equal to 0? First option is the correct one because dx plus dy is equal to 0. Now by taking integration, x plus y is equal to c. So the first option is the correct option. Now limit x tends to infinity, x square minus 3x plus 7 divided by 3x cube plus 2x plus 6 is equal to what? We know that the degree of denominator is greater than the degree of the numerator, so limit will be equal to 0. The integration 10x power 4x cos x is equal to what? So 10 is the constant. 10 is constant, and sin x power 4 cos x into dx. We know that derivative of sin is cos, so by rule this is equal to sin power 5 divided by 5 plus some constant. 5 1 is 5 2 is. So the integration is equal to 2 times sin power 5 plus c. The correct option is A. Derivative of cotangent derivative of cotangent derivative of cotangent square root x is equal to what? We know that derivative is equal to derivative of cotangent is minus cosecant square x square root x and derivative of square root x. Now this is equal to minus cosecant square root derivative of square root x is equal to 1 over 2 x power minus 1 over 2. Now this is equal to minus of cosecant square root x divided by 2 square root x. So the correct option is what? A. Integration of x f of x whole power n into f dash of x into dx is equal to what? We know that this expression is equal to what? Is equal to f of f power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Integration of secant square x into dx from minus pi to pi. We know that derived integration of secant square is equal to tangent x from minus pi to pi. Now this is equal to tangent pi minus into tangent minus pi. This whole expression is equal to 2 times tangent pi, and tangent pi is equal to 0. So the correct option is B. Derivative of x sin x power 0 mean degree. So we know that this is equal to as we know that 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180 radian. So this expression can be written as sin x pi by 180 radian. Now this is equal to cos x power 0 into pi by 180 radian. The correct option is what? The correct option is D. The center of the circle x square plus y square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 is on what? X square plus y square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we know that by comparing with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, g is equal to 1 because 2g is equal to 2, f is equal to 0, and c is equal to 1. So the center is minus g minus f, we know that, but here minus g is minus 1 comma 0. So center lies on this position means on negative y-axis. So the correct option is B, on y-axis. 1 plus x divided by 1 pictorial plus x square divided by 2 pictorial plus x square cube divided by 3 pictorial is equal to what? This is the Maclaurin series of e power x. E power x plus e power minus x is equal to what? We know that sine hyperbolic is equal to e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. So this is equal to 2 times sine hyperbolic is equal to e power x plus e power minus x. The correct option is what? 2 times sine hyperbolic x. The x divided by partial z by partial x plus y partial z by partial y is equal to n times z represent dash theorem. This is the Euler theorem. This is the Euler theorem. If x is equal to 5x divided by x square minus 3x plus 2s discontinuous at what? So by taking denominator is equal to 0, x square minus 3x plus 2, x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0, x into x minus 2, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So implies x is equal to 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So the this function is discontinuous at what? At 1 and 2. 1 comma 2. So the first option is the correct option. This is the lecture about MCQs part for class 9. Thank you for watching this lecture.